What's up YouTube, Manuel here.
And my name is Froilan, and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers.
Today we're going to be doing a detailed review of these sneakers. These are the Air Jordan 1 Mid
By Facetasm.
So let's go! As mentioned, we are doing a detailed review of this Air Jordan 1 Mid by Facetasm. So Froy, I have a question. Who or what is Facetasm? I'm not really sure.
From what I've researched, Facetasm is a clothing brand from Japan.
Oh, okay.
And the designer is Hiromichi Ochiai.
Oh, okay.
So from what I've seen on their website, from their clothes.
The Facetasm website.
It's mostly streetwear. I think it's a high-end streetwear brand.
Oh, okay.
And
From Japan.
The design they have are like similar to Comme des Garçons or Ensakai.
Oh,
so that's they share the
same
they
style.
share the similar high fashion streetwear style.
Oh, okay. So that's hence they have a collaboration with Jordan brand. Okay, so that's Facetasm. So I thought, honestly, at first I thought Facetasm is a person. I didn't know that it was actually a brand. So Facetasm. So guys, if you don't know, Facetasm is a brand. It's not a person. Okay, but the person behind it is Hiromichi Ochiai. Okay. But anyway, let's talk about these sneakers that was made or designed by Facetasm. So let's take a look in detail the materials they use and everything about these sneakers. So let's start with the upper. So the upper, you have actually a teal, white, red color blockings over here. So the material of this leather actually is similar to the SBB over here. It has a crinkled or a creased-like look, as you can see. So it's a bit crumpled.
So there's a crease details on the
leather. Is this patent leather still?
No, but this one is like, let's get this as
so
comparison. Yeah, but this one is like has a matte finish. But they have a very similar leather, but this one is
glossy.
And this one is matte.
So yeah, as you can see, it has the same creasing. This is matte, this is glossy. So that's the difference. So I think, it's even the teal color is also creased.
Everything is almost everything.
Even the swoosh is creased. But anyway, so you have the teal color on the toe guard, and then on this part of the lace holders, on both medial and lateral side. And then of course you have the white leather, the white creased leather on the toe box, on the medial and the lateral side. So the lace holders are in black, the rest of the lace holders are in black in the middle, and then it also has a black leather on the ankle collar. Now the swoosh in both the lateral and the medial side is also in black. Now it's basically a plain looking sneakers. In fact, for me, amongst all the Fearless collection, it has the most plain design. Do you agree with me?
Yeah, but it just has some hints of Facetasm in there. You have the Facetasm tag here.
Yeah, okay. This one doesn't have
on the left shoe.
Yeah.
Then you have
in red, right?
Yeah, in red and black text. Then you have the pull tab here in orange.
Yeah. Here the pull tab on the right shoe has a Facetasm branding.
This one doesn't.
Yeah. And then this one doesn't have this tag, the red Facetasm branding over there. Now the Air Jordan 1 logo is like a patch.
It's a patch.
It's not embossed, it's a patch which is stitched on top of this teal leather. And the lining is in blue and the main color is in black.
Then you have the padded nylon tongue with the Air Jordan branding there.
Yeah. What I notice here is that the Air Jordan branding, normally the branding on top, the Nike Air for normal Jordan 1, it goes above on top. and then it goes through on the back. But this one, it's not. It's just stops on the edge of the tongue, and there's nothing at the back. There's another patch with the sizes below the, I think it's mid-tongue. So that's a different part. Like if you could see here, this is what I'm talking about. So you see the Nike Air, and it goes over, and then you have this writing over here. But for this sneakers, it doesn't go over. But you have this Jumpman logo in red, and then of course the Air in the bottom. It's similar to the Blue the Great logo on the tongue. Now, another detail that I see on these sneakers is the Jumpman logo in red.
The small Jumpman.
Yeah, in the midsole.
The heel area of the
midsole. And then of course the Fear tag in teal. So Fear here, and then at the back, this is the quote of Michael Jordan.
And then you have extra black laces.
Yes. Which one do you prefer? If you're gonna black or the white one?
I think both looks good.
Yeah. If I'm gonna rock these, probably I'll switch. One is white, one is black. Probably that's what I'm gonna do.
So, what's your opinion on this particular shoe?
Honestly, I got this because it's one of the cheapest. One of the cheapest, and I also wanted to have a few of the Fearless pack collection to be reviewed. And this is not, I'm not hating this, but I would still wear it. But I'm not like really a super fan of it. I like the Blue the Great better. In fact, like when I said, out of all the Fearless ones, probably this is one of the lowest if I'm gonna rank it. I don't like the other one, the French one. Chateau something.
The Maison Chateau Rouge.
Yeah, that one. It looks like, I don't know. It's not me.
Actually, this one, if I can just edit something, it would make it a lot better. First off, I would take off this pull tab.
Okay. Because Jordan 1 doesn't have any pull tabs.
So anyway, I would keep the Facetasm tag. Maybe put a Facetasm tag here.
So both sides.
Then remove the pull tab. I can keep the Wings logo. And then this particular, the lace loop here, the black lace loops, I will make it the same color as this one.
Okay.
So if I have,
let me imagine it.
And then remove this particular.
Because this actually.
This actually
this is a bit off for me. It looks like a knockoff Jordan. This is something that you would see on a fake Jordan, right?
Yeah, but you can easily remove this with acetone.
I think so. Yeah. So, but this is one of the accents of this sneaker because it's basically like white, teal, and black. But it has the one that makes it pop is the orange pull tab and the red tab over here. And then
for me, the orange tab is like
out of place.
Very out of place. Very.
Do they have? I haven't seen the website of Facetasm. Do they normally have this kind of? Maybe this they put this for a reason. Probably this is probably their tag.
I haven't noticed, but what I've noticed is they use this color a lot.
Oh, the teal.
This particular color. They mostly like black, white. From what I've saw, black, white, and green.
Oh, that is their color.
That's what their clothes colors
look like. For me, this is something I would wear. This is very simple. It's not loud.
Amongst the Fearless Ones collection, this is one of the more wearable ones.
Actually, the others are like with the Melody Isani with the watch.
That one.
This one like so many colors. This is the wearable one, but this is the most plain looking. That's why I think this is probably one of the least favorite of everyone.
So but But they incorporated the crease leather in this one to give it more like depth and character.
yeah,
Since
structure, yeah.
since colors, like they skipped on colors on this one. They put in the crinkled leather, so it will give it more character.
Yeah, I think that's a good touch.
Yeah, good.
It actually looks good.
Yeah, it looks good.
The leather looks good. And it looks really premium even though it's creased. That's what I like about this sneakers. So what about you guys? Do you like this pair? Do you hate this pair? Would you wear this pair? We would love to know your opinion. So please comment down below in the comment section because we love to hear it from you guys, right?
We want to hear your opinion on this one.
On this one. I mean, you could also do it on our other reviews. But the thing is, yeah, this price point is not that expensive. It's $130 US.
And is this under retail now for resale?
I think it's a little bit over. It's like 130, 140. It's
not bad.
Not that bad. So still, but it was actually sold out immediately because this was released here in the Philippines. Not all the Fearless collection was released in the Philippines, but this is one.
I think most of the Fearless Ones collection are sold out.
Yeah, I think. I mean,
Because
even though it's because the Jordan brand, I think, is trying to promote
the mids.
So yeah, this year was the year of the mids. I think mids actually year
Mids
of the Jordan.
Year of the Jordan one.
Yeah, because they release a lot of highs, they release a lot of lows, and they release because of this a lot of mids. So they're really like competing with Yeezy because Yeezy is like they release I think 30 or more. I think we should do a review,
a head count
of all the Yeezys that was released and probably
the Jordan one.
I think Jordan has more because I can't keep up with Jordans. At least Yeezy we can still keep up, but Jordans if you put
especially the GR ones.
Yes. If you add the mids and the lows, probably the highs we can still count, but with the mids and the lows, it's gonna be hard for us to really identify which one was released this year. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below.
And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now. Remember, we have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok. Again, my name is Forlan.
And this is Manuel.
Until next time.